Hello, my wonderful doll-loving friends. This is Annie from Annie's Playhouse. Today I'm welcoming you into my Barbie Bakery Cafe's back of the house kitchen. Some of you may already know that I was a pastry chef for many, many years of my life, and at one point I was the head pastry chef at the Black Dog Bakery Cafe. I also worked at the Ritz-Carlton in Key Biscayne in Florida, which was amazing experience as well. And so, of course, my Barbies had to have a bakery cafe, and I do have a little pastry chef Barbie. And I keep looking for more sort of commercial looking things to use in the Barbie kitchen. This piece right here, I really love. You might have seen it in other dioramas. I think it might have come with an exercise set at one point, but I painted it silver to make it look more commercial. This little cooler I got off of Temu, and with also some of the little gadgets like this. This adorable little KitchenAid is just a refrigerator magnet, but it just couldn't be any cuter. It just is deluxe mixer, but it looks just like the KitchenAid that I used to use for smaller projects at the bakery. I got this butcher block table at a little gift shop. And then the one thing I wanted to point out to you that a lot of the items that we can purchase that are maybe 1/6 scale, but they're not really high enough sometimes for Barbie. So I hold on to special little boxes like this. So when I get things like this, especially if they have a plain side, I always hold on to them because take a look at this. See this little piece here, piece that I've had for a long time for a Mycene playset, and I just covered the front with paper just to make it white right now. Well, actually, I use it this way in my bakery cafe. But it is on a little platform because it's just not high enough to be a usable counter space. So I just use these little drawers from something I picked up at the dollar store, but I think that this is going to be a better platform for it. So I just wanted to show that to you because these are little things that sometimes we might not think of that we have a need for something like that. But see, look how nice. I mean, it would be nicer if it was a little bit longer, but it really does the trick. It raises it up to a more normal height for a counter like that. So poor Barbie does not have a large workspace. So this video is the unboxing of something really cool that I found. I'm going to move her back out of the way a little bit here. And I discovered this company called Diva Diorama. And they're kind of cool because, you know, they make their own, sort of boxes out of other boxes. They really try to recycle things. I love that consciousness because we have such a wasteful society. But what they do is they 3D print cool stuff. And some of the things they do is they support the, I think it's the mini brand, make it mini things, the different projects like that. And they realized there was a need for a table when people work on these little, mini resin items that they make. I have quite a few of them here. This is a little, well, in the Bakery Cafe mostly, but this is from one of those kits, and this is as well one of those little capsules. And so one of the things they came up with is a work table, and it comes in two sizes, and one is for, one that matches that sort of, I think it's the mini brand's kitchen, and so it's kind of like a low table. And this one is a taller 1/6 scale Barbie size work table. So they wrote they have a little, this is what it's called. It's called the Kitchen Work Table 1/6 Scale. Fashion doll compatible, looks like a professional prep table. And it is $20, so it's not inexpensive, but it's so worth it because I've been looking for this for literally like over a decade, a good work table. And they put it as a little extra, this little happy birthday that could go on a little cake. That's so cute. Perfect for my little Barbie bakery. So I'm going to set that aside, and let's take a look at this table. Okay, it's very nicely packaged, as you can see. I'm thinking maybe I will pull this camera down a little bit. Okay, let's see if that's better. I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so the packaging. See, I like that they're using recycled material. And, oh, there it is. It's so cool because it really looks like a stainless steel workspace, which is what we use in a professional kitchen. Okay, so this is the tabletop, and then this is the part that goes underneath where chefs can store things temporarily. So these must be the legs. These people are very nice, by the way, at Diva Diorama. They're very nice to work with, good communicators. The shipping was very prompt. And as you can see, they wrap everything very nicely so things get here safely. So it's very simple. It's just 4 pieces. But I think when, they charge for these things, you have to take into consideration that things get sanded down. The material itself is not inexpensive. And it's a lot of work. It's a lot more work than you would think. Okay, so I think this is how it must go, that this is, the foot is down here. I'm so excited. Barbie, you're getting a real professional table for your bakery. Oh, look at that. It fits right in. Beautiful. Great. Now, of course, you could glue this together if you wanted to. So I don't know. I kind of like that it's portable because I may not always have it set up. And then this must just go on here. Yeah, maybe I will glue it together. I'm going to have to ask about what... Oh, that's a nice height, I think, for her. Wow, look at that. It's a real professional-looking work table. That's really cool. I mean, it really looks like the table I spent many, 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 many hours of my life standing in front of, or yeah, behind, I guess. So here she is. By the way, if you haven't seen my videos about my Bakery Café, I'm going to link it in the description box because they're really cute. You'll get a real kick out of it if you haven't seen them already. I'm laughing at myself because I'm such a dope. I'm getting ready to close out this video. And as I'm like rewatching stuff, I'm realizing that I didn't assemble the table properly. So I'm going to move our little pastry chef over. And I figured out that these are the bottom of the leg. Of course, I mean, that it looks right, but I don't know why. I think I thought that they maybe created it to make it more stable and making the feet that way. But of course, it should go this way. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so we have to make sure that this sort of shelf part, that's going to hold this. So, I guess it's going to hold it a lot lower than what I had thought, which is good. So it's going to go this way. So this, of course, will be a lot more stable because this top has been designed to fit perfectly in here. If the owners are watching this, they must think, oh my God. Well, this is why they have instructions sometimes, but this is 4 pieces. It's common sense. But look, that is a much better looking table than what I had put together at the beginning. It's very, very nice. And then there is lots of space here. Honestly, I don't remember in the at the bakery, how much space there was underneath there, because it's been a while. But it's just so handy because as you're working, you can, just drop things underneath there when you're not using it. But anyway, oh my gosh, I laughed at myself so hard. I was like, but this is, everything takes, what is the saying? Like, everything's easy once you know how. Like, now it looks like common sense to me, but but at the time, oh my goodness. At least my videos are unrehearsed. They really are very organic. And I do want to show you a couple things. So this is what the Make a Mini Happy Hour capsules look like. So they're from Miniverse as well. And so the lower table that they make is compatible with that Miniverse kitchen that many of you have. Those of you that really enjoy making those little Miniverse items. So that's what that capsule looks like. And then this is another item that I got from them previously for my bar. It's this really cute little caddy. It was very reasonably priced. I don't know, I'm thinking it was under $5. I'm not sure, but it fits these little Miniverse. Let me make sure I'm saying it properly now. Yes, the Miniverse, these are the little coasters that you use on the bar. So cute. And then these are straws for the bartender to plop into drinks. And then it doesn't come with these tools. These all come with these different beverage sets. So I'll be doing some videos on that soon because I need to put some together and you'll get such a kick out of it. But anyway, I just wanted to show you one of the other things that they make. And then they also make these little beverage carts that are compatible with these Miniverse glassware and all the different things that come in these capsules. They have the mixers and, just the different items that these capsules, the bottles and the glassware mostly, and they fit in this little beverage cart. So definitely check out the Diva Diorama people there. They have some really cool stuff on their site. And then I have a feeling that as the company grows, they're going to add more items to their repertoire because obviously they're very talented. Anyway, now I'm going to really close out this video. I'll have some really nice photos of Barbie doing her pastries after I wrap up. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please take care of yourself and those you love. And enjoy your hobby. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy mine. I send you my love. Take care. Bye now.